everyone, today I am going to do unboxing and setup of Qubo smart bulb which was bought from Amazon. You can get the product purchase link from the description. Here is the box of the smart bulb. Starting with the top we see Qubo branding and mentioned as smart bulb with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. At the bottom of the box we see a make in India. At the top, we see that it's been manufactured from Hero Electronics located at New Delhi and manufactured at Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Let's get the smart bulb out of the box. There is something else in the box. So this is the scanner for the product details and the Qubo app to download, which is already available on Play Store. This bulb comes with plastic built with Qubo branding on it. It can be connected to our common bulb holder. Now let's move on to the setup of the bulb. First, we need to download the Qubo app from Play Store or the App Store. Now, allow the access. Sign in with Google account or create a Qubo account, whichever you prefer. Then it will ask for a mobile number for an OTP. Moving on to this page, here we need to select the bulb. After connecting the bulb, it will start blinking. Now, allow the location access. Now, select the bulb. Now, we can connect it to a Wi Fi if you want to. Now, it will start pairing with the bulb. After it's done, this is what we get on the screen. Here we get three options for color, white, and scenes. With this option, you can increase or decrease the brightness. Under colors, you will get multiple color options. Select as per your wish. Here you also get the option for changing the brightness. Company also claims that it comes with RGB 16 million colors. Now moving on to scenes, you get presets of different kind of scenes. Select whichever you like. So that's it in this video. Have a good day. Bye for now.